Well, the government is well prepared to deal with the current situation if fresh tensions in West Asia escalates further, very significant development. In fact, government sources tell us that world marketing companies are better positioned to deal with this situation, and not only in terms of stock position, but also from planning perspective, they are better prepared than before. When it comes to stock position, in fact, stock position of petroleum products is better now than in February 2026. India currently has crude oil and petroleum product stocks sufficient for more than 60 days of use. In addition to that, world marketing companies have tied up sufficient cargoes for the next few months. Now coming on to product pricing, government sources tell us that world marketing companies are making an over-recovery of around rupees 10 per litre on petrol. However, they are facing under recovery on diesel, which is roughly around rupees 8 per litre. But when it comes to domestic LPG, under recoveries on domestic LPG have reduced significantly to rupees 250 per cylinder, which was roughly around rupees 700 per cylinder in early June. That's an important development at this point in time. In fact, over recovery on petrol is roughly around 9,000 to 10,000 crore every month on the back of reduced crude oil prices. But situation is very dynamic in the global market, and therefore world marketing companies, world ministry is keeping close watch on the developments, regularly monitoring the situation with world marketing companies. In addition to that, government is waiting for the situation to improve further before providing additional supply side relief to consumer. That's an important development at this point in time. Government is better positioned than ever before to deal with this situation if fresh tensions in West Asia escalates further.